Right. Good evening, everyone. Online students, can you hear me? Okay. Any new students in today class? Newly joined yesterday, not attended. 1, 2. Online students, is there any new student joining today class? Three. Please, everyone, come to the chat window. There is a option called chat. Check once. People who join newly in today class, please come to the chat window and respond. Type, I am. Okay. Yeah. We have completed 2 classes. We have completed 2 classes. First class is just I explained about Java syllabus. First class is full stack Java development and core Java syllabus. Second class we discussed what is Java, why Java. Just I give an introduction to Java. Okay. So quickly I am revising. First day class. Okay. First day class. Our course title is full stack Java with project development. Prerequisites to learn Java, no prerequisites. Anyone can join, learn Java. Full stack Java development is divided into 5 modules: Java module, database module, UI module, DevSecOps module, AWS basics. Next, in this, now what is the roadmap to complete all these 5 modules? You have Karthik. I will share everything. Please listen what I am saying. Okay, now? That's why I asked any of you miss yesterday class. Okay? Please listen. What is the roadmap for completing full stack Java, all 5 modules? There are 2 ways, sequential and parallel. Sequential means one course after another course you are doing, that is called sequential. What is the meaning of parallel? 2 or 3 courses you are attending per day. So if you are college completed students, then please join 2 or 3 courses per day. If you are college going student, choose sequentially. Then parallel flow of roadmap is you have to join 3 courses at a time. Core Java, which I have started, and Oracle HTML in another 2 slots. After completing these 3 courses, Advanced Java, DevOps tools, and AWS. After completing these 3 courses, Spring Boot microservices, React. Okay. Okay, sir. Now, what is the course duration and fee? Full stack Java fee 20,000 without recordings. Duration 6 months. Class timing is 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and other courses will be conducted on different slots. Class duration, every batch will be 1 hour 50 minutes. Material shared by faculties. And daily classes 6 days per week will be there, Monday to Saturday. Are we providing placement? Yes, we are providing placements to full stack Java development students. Suppose if you take only core Java admission, no placement. Only Oracle you taken, no placement. Full stack Java, full you have taken, then placement is there. Then what is the syllabus for full stack Java exam? 5 courses you have to have knowledge. Core Java, Oracle, HTML, Advanced Java, Spring Basics. These 5 courses, if you have knowledge, then you are eligible to write placement exam. Placement exam pattern is multiple choice question. Placement exam mode. Exam mode is offline only. Okay, no online, only offline. You can attend the courses online or offline, but for writing exam, you should come to Hyderabad, write exam. If you qualify in this placement exam, then we will provide 45 days special training. This 45 days special training is also offline. After this 45 days special training completed, then you are going to send for interviews, company interviews. Okay, next. What is Core Java syllabus? Core Java we are covering with DSA and AI tools. DSA and AI tools are free. You don't need to pay any money extra. You are paying fees only for Core Java. I am interested to teach extra. What is Core Java? It is a one course in full stack Java. Why Core Java? For learning programming language. Okay, it provides concepts for developing programs and projects. In the entire full stack Java, Core Java is the most important course to become developer. Core Java syllabus. We divided Core Java syllabus into 5 units. Which version Java we are covering? We will cover Java syllabus from 1.0 to 26 version. Up to 26 version we are covering. Okay, 1.0 until beginning version to 26 version, everything I am going to cover. There are totally 5 units are there in Core Java. Java fundamentals, that's what yesterday we started. Logical programming. As part of logical programming, you are going to learn DSA basics and AI tools also. Object-oriented programming, Java API. In C, C++, you call library. In Java, we call what? API. As part of Java API, we will continue DSA, continuation, and advanced topics also we are learning here. Then, after entire course completed, these 4 units are entire course of Core Java. After entire course completed, we are going to develop one final project, which contain all the 3 parts of the project: UI, programming, database. The database is what? Collections. We are not going to use the real database. We are using collection as the main database. A collection as a database. Okay, na? Next, what is the course? Core Java fee and duration. Here I have given full stack Java fee. If you decided to become full stack Java developer, all 5 modules if you wanted to learn, then pay fees at a time 20,000. So that all these modules you are going to get as part of the package. No, sir, I want only join Core Java. Then join, then can pay only for Core Java. The fees of the Core Java is 3,500 without recordings. With recordings, 6,000. And 2,500 extra you are paying. Duration of this course, 3+ months. Class timing is 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. In the coming days, this may be extended more 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Okay, now 8 to 10, 8:15, I may extend based on the topic of the particular class. If the topic not completed, I will extend. Daily class 6 days per week, Monday to Saturday, and material running or shared via Google Classroom. Everyone, people who newly joined, please collect this Google Classroom. Here I am going to share the material. The Google Classroom link is this. Online students who have not joined in this Google Classroom, click on this link and join. Offline students, newly joined people, please write down this. P3 LK, this is LK. P3 LK SY 3D. Hello. Newly joined, he said somebody raise hand, na? Write down that code. Here you will get material. Google Classroom is an app given by the Google company. If you want to join in this app and want to access material, you have to join by using this link. How to join? For the new students, I am explaining. Open browser and join Google, Gmail. Okay. And next, here after and log into the Google. This is the Google apps. Click on this Google apps. Scroll down. You will find Classroom. Click on this Classroom. Then here you will get plus button. Click on this plus button. Click on join class. Enter the code. Click join. Then you will come to this Google Classroom. Here, click on classwork. Click on classwork. Then you will see the material. Introduction to Java. This is the first class. This is the second class. Second class notes. Give me 2 minutes. I'll upload. So this is the first class. Karthik. Karthika, what is your name? Karthik. This is the admin details. Here. Screenshot take. And this is my number. Okay. Don't call. Only send WhatsApp message. Okay. This is the first day we completed. Now the second day. Yesterday we discussed about what is Java, why Java. Okay. These points we have learned. Java history, who invented Java, why invented, what is Java, why Java, who invented Java. Then types of applications, what is a platform, platform dependency, platform independency, why C and C++ languages are platform dependent, how Java achieved platform independency. These are 3 points I didn't explain, I'll explain. Okay. Softwares required to develop, compile and execute a Java program. Okay, up to here we learn. Now today our target is what? Downloading and installing JDK software. What is Java? Java is a platform independent object oriented programming language. Why Java is invented? Java was invented to achieve platform independency. Why? For developing internet-based business applications. Internet-based business applications. Who invented Java? Java was invented by Mr. James Gosling. Who is James Gosling? He is looking like me one. Look. Okay. He is Mr. James Gosling. That is AI generated image. Okay. Future artist. In future, after 1 year maximum, okay, next batch is Ipika, you will see me. There is no difference between me and James Gosling. Okay, na? Right. Online students, can you see James Gosling? Next time onwards, whenever you find this person, you should recognize, because you are going to work in development. Somewhere you will find him in seminars or somewhere. That time should not say, hey, somewhere I have seen you. Don't say, okay? Okay. He is Mr. James Gosling. You can read James Gosling life, where he is born, what he has done. All the details are available here. What are the awards he got, everything. Okay. Next, the first version of Java released with a number what? 1.0 in the year 1990. Okay. Why Java invented? For developing internet applications. Okay. Why Java invented? For developing internet applications. So first I should understand how many types of applications do we have in software industry? All available softwares or projects or applications, all three, anything, are broadly divided in 2 types: standalone application and internet application. Tell me, this is a software, Edit Plus software. This Edit Plus software is also comes under what? Standalone application or what? Internet application. Tell me, this Edit Plus is standalone application or internet application? Standalone or internet? You are expecting answer from me? Boys, I have asked a question. You are expecting answer from me? Then I will ask the question. I will only give answer. Finally, who learn Java? I learn. Then what do you become? Good follower. ఏదో answer చేయండి రా. I'm giving two options na. What are the two options? Standalone application and internet application. All the people said yesterday attended na. Yesterday attended? Vola. Do you have mouth? Any fevistick there? Lipstick like fevistick? Open mouth and speak. Yesterday attended? Then I told yesterday there are two types of applications: standalone application and internet application. What is standalone application? An application that you installed in one computer and we are accessing only within the same computer is called what? Standalone application. Okay, you install the program or application in one computer and accessing from different computers throughout the world. Then what is application? Internet application. Right? Now tell me now. Edit Plus software is standalone or internet? Why? Why standalone? You can speak in any language. There is no rule you have to speak in English. Which language you know, speak in that language. Hello. This Edit Plus software is standalone application or internet application? Standalone, you said. Why? Sorry? It is accessed by using internet, that's why. Not using internet. Okay, sit down. What do you mean by that, not internet? To access this program, I must come to this computer. I have installed this program in this computer. I should come to this computer mouse and a keyboard I have to use to access. So then it is called what? Standalone. Tell me now. What is this? Hey, kaun hai? Browser, not Google Chrome. What is this? Browser. And tell me, browser is a internet application or standalone application? Huh? Everyone, पक्का ला करेंगे? 1 करोड़ का सवाल है. फ्रेंड का लाइन चाहिए? फ्रेंड का लाइन चाहिए? हाँ? Friend caller, friend phone on caller, something is there. Browser is standalone or internet? Socho. Once again, socho. What is a standalone application? What is internet application? Internet application means it must be available in my computer, server computer. It should be installed in server computer, access from my computer. That is called internet. Okay, I install in my computer, accessing from my computer. Then what is this? Standalone. Everyone got pointer? Ready? Repeating again. Browser is a standalone application or internet application? Malli doubt. Standalone or internet? Don't use your burra. Don't use your brain. Don't show your talent. You are here to learn, not to use. You are here to train your brain with the statements I have given, not with your own ideas. What is the statement I have given? You install some program in your computer, access that program within this computer, then it is standalone. You install the program in some other computer, access it from my computer through internet, then it is called what? Internet. Now apply these two statements properly on this program and tell me, browser is a dash. Standalone or internet? Standalone, not internet. All people are feeling, browser is internet. How browser is internet? Look, I install Google Chrome in my computer. Then I'm using my computer mouse and then double click, open. Then what is this? Standalone, not internet. Oh, no, sir, it is internet. Na. Hey, browser is not internet. Using browser, you are accessing Amazon application. Amazon is internet. You are accessing bank application. Bank application is internet. You are accessing book my show. Book my show is what? Internet. Everybody got clarity? Yeah? So what is the confusion in your brain? You are feeling that this browser is internet. Browser is not internet. Using browser, you are accessing one application. Either, A wala, internet. Okay, na? Clearly understood? Pakka? Shall I ask one more question? 100% guarantee will give wrong answer. Better? 1 crore bet. If you give right answer, I will give 1 crore. If you give wrong answer, each one should give 1 crore to me. Idea? Sir, if 1 crore is there, why I come to Java? Happily, I would give for interest and I can get the money from the hometown, sir. Okay, good. Now, observe. Question. Ready? The mobile app installed in your mobile is standalone or internet? Mobile app is standalone or internet? Come on, confidently you should say. You are looking that side, this side with a diagonal line. Standalone or internet? Standalone. Why are you using your brain? Don't use. Ask a question. What is that? Install and access using that particular device screen. Then what is this? Standalone. Without installing, accessing, then what is this? Internet. Tell me, mobile app, are you installing or not? Installing or not installing? Install. When install, it is what? Standalone. Katam. Not believing? Tell me now. Now, this is one second. Now tell me, this is mobile. Okay. In this mobile app, let's say I have Instagram, your favorite app. Now, Instagram already installed. Now, using my finger, online student, using my finger, I am going and touching the app installed here. Okay, open. Something coming, don't worry. Okay, and tell me now, what is this? Standalone or internet? Standalone. No, sir, without internet, it will not work. Na? Who will not work? App will not work. The app backend accessing content will not work. What will not work? App will work, will not work? Work. Dekho. Now I am closing. Closed. Instagram app closed. I wonder why. Now here scroll down. I stop the internet. Internet I stop. Mobile data stopped. Okay. Then now if I click on this Instagram app opened or not opened? Opened. No problem. Okay. And now refresh. This is the old data. It is coming what? Now refresh. It is saying couldn't refresh here. Why? Internet connection is not there. So tell me, there should be a clarity in your brain on internet. This is my server, Play Store or server computer. Here I have one program. Now this is my computer. Okay. From my computer, I am downloading this program installed here accessing from here. I am not touching this part. I am accessing here only. Then this program is called what? Standalone. Samajh mein aaya? Now, second scenario. This is my computer. Okay, this is server computer or Play Store. And this is my computer, your friend computer. We are not installing anything. By using browser or by using mobile app. By using browser or mobile app, we are going to the server computer and accessing the program available here. Then tell me, this program is what? Standalone. The server side available program which is sending content to your browser is called what? Internet. Clarity coming up? Right. Let me explain another point. This is your mobile. This is your friend mobile. Mobile 1, mobile 2. Okay. And this is Play Store. Today class is very important. Online students, please don't say theory, program, no, what to do, sir. This all daily you are going to develop. Okay, if you are interested what I am teaching, continue. If not interested, please drop the class and don't disturb the class. Okay, na? Daily 1 or 2 person coming, torturing me. If you are interested to learn what I am teaching, continue. If you are not interested, leave. Because I am here not to teach college subject. I am here to teach company subject. These are all related to company. Interested people learn, not interested, click leave button and go. Offline student, you have to wait till end of the class because in the middle if you move, it's a disturbance. Okay, right. Now, this is a Play Store. Where it is available? Somewhere in the server computer. Now, in this Play Store, we have WhatsApp app. Listen carefully. This WhatsApp app is a server programmer, client programmer. There are 2 types of programs available. Client program, server program. Client program means the program that is downloaded and installed in the client computer is called what? Client program. This WhatsApp app is downloaded and installed in mobile 1, also downloaded installed in a mobile 2. What is this? Mobile WhatsApp app. Okay, it's installed. Then here you have the type box. And tell me now, you want to talk to your friend. Very interesting point, involve everyone. Now you type here hi and press enter key. Then the hi is coming under display here. Okay. Then it is jumping from your mobile to your friend mobile, and here it will be display here, na? Yes or no? Everyone? Huh? Online students? Yes, sir. From your mobile to your friend mobile, it will jump like this, sir. Yes or no, na? Wrong. Through your friend mobile not connected to internet, then the data in the air hanging until he access it, until he connect the internet and open the WhatsApp app, until then the data is hanging on the air. This is wrong. All people are feeling that data going from that window to this window. Wrong. This data will go to server. Okay. There is a server called WhatsApp server. Okay. In a WhatsApp server, there is a server side program. This server side program will store your data in your account, in the database, in your account in an encrypted manner. It's in an end-to-end encryption is there. The data is stored. Whenever this fellow is connected to the internet, open WhatsApp, then this person account is also available here, na? You send the message on whose account? Your friend account. Then whenever he connected, immediately the request will go to whom now? The server program. And the server program will access your friend account, all available messages, and then drop, tuck, 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 all the messages are coming, notifications. Did you notice that? Tomorrow morning you observe, today night before sleeping, you are stop the internet and close the mobile app and everything, then sleeping. Next day morning, when you connect the mobile data and open WhatsApp app, all notifications fast are downloading or not? From where? From the database. So tell me now, the most important confusion in all students, from mobile app, from your mobile app to this mobile app, data is going, Are Babu, this is standalone application, this is another standalone application. Standalone application will not be communicated. Standalone application communicated to which application? Internet application. This internet application take the data from the database and give it to the client. Everybody understand? Tell me now. The mobile app installed in your computer is what? Standalone application. The mobile app, the application available in server computer, sharing your data to your friend data to you, that is called what? Internet application. So, behind every front-end screen, one program available. What is the architecture we discussed? UI, and then what? Programming, and then what? Database. Bolo, this UI program can be a HTML program or can be a mobile app. Now, all people got clarity here? This can be a HTML program or can be a mobile app. If you are accessing from browser, then the HTML program is coming. From here onwards, it is going to talk to this programming part. If you are using your mobile, you are not using desktop or not laptop. You are using desktop or laptop. You are using the browser. If you are using mobile, then what you are downloading? Mobile app. Now the mobile app also background talking to this backend program. This is called what? Backend program. This backend program is what program? Internet application. Samajh mein aaya? Right? This backend program, this internet application is developed by using which code? Core Java na advanced Java na? Advanced Java. Or by using what? Spring Boot. Advanced Java and Spring Boot is meant for developing internet application. Tell me now, if I use only core Java concepts, I didn't use advanced Java, I didn't use Spring Boot, only core Java I have used, I develop one application, then this application is internet application or standalone application? Standalone application. It can work only in one computer. This standalone application is also called desktop application. Only work on one desktop, cannot be accessed from different applications. So finally tell me, the backend program that can be accessible from browser or from the mobile app is what? Internet application. The HTML program access from the browser or mobile app access from the mobile for collecting data from the user and give to the server. So how many types of applications you have? Two types of applications. All available softwares or projects or applications, all are just synonyms, are broadly divided into two types: standalone application, internet application. Observe the diagram. Observe the diagram. An application or a program reside in the server computer, can be accessible only within the server computer, cannot be accessed from other computers through the network, is called what? Standalone application. An application that is installed in one computer and can be accessible only within this computer, cannot be accessible from other computers via network. Network and internet is called what? Standalone application. For example, calculator, MS Office, antivirus, VLC media player are standalone application. Below diagram shows standalone application. This diagram. Next, an application that is installed in one computer can be accessible from other computers throughout the world via network is called what? Internet application. Now, server computer, I have one program. This program I'm accessing from another computer via internet, then we call it as what? Internet application. For example, Amazon, IRCTC, Instagram, Book My Show, YouTube, Gmail, Naresh IT software, HK programming world, etc. are what? Internet application. Below diagram shows internet application. This is internet application example. A standalone application is a single computer and single user application. Arey bhai, this is Edit Plus. While I am using Edit Plus, can you come and use this Edit Plus? No. One computer, one user only. Internet application. Now open the browser. I am accessing Amazon now. Tell me, at the same time, from your computer also you can access Amazon or not? That means it is a single computer, multi-computer and multi-user application. Now, just now I asked the question, is the browser a standalone application or internet application? Standalone. Because we install in our computer. Is the mobile app a standalone application or internet application? It is also standalone because we install it in our mobile and access with our mobile screen. Points are very, very important. Next, what is a platform? What is a platform independency? What is a platform? Dependency and independency. Observe now, what is a platform independence? Platform is an environment, a place where program is loaded, executed, and give you the output. Tell me, this classroom is a platform for learning Java? Na? Can you stand on the road and learn Java? No. What is a class? A class is a platform where all the students and faculties are coming together and learning something. That is called what? Classroom. So what is a platform from computer point of view? Bus platform, train platform. On which platform you are working in IT computer, IT industry? Java platform, .NET platform, right? So what is a platform? A platform is an environment. A platform is an environment. What environment? A runtime environment in which a program is loaded and executed. A platform can be software only platform or hardware only platform or both. Okay. Then a computer platform is both software and hardware based platform. That is OS, processor and hardware devices. What are they? RAM and hard disk is all together is called what? Platform. Tell me, a computer can run without OS? No. Without processor? Not possible. Without RAM and hard disk? Not possible. So OS is a software. Processor, hardware devices are what? Hardware devices. Okay, answer my question. C++ program executed by OS. So who is the C++ program platform? OS. Java program not executed by OS. Java program is executed by JVM. So what is the Java program platform? JVM. .NET program is executed by a special, like JVM software, there is a special software called what? CLR. So .NET program platform is what? CLR. Sir, what the meaning of CLR? Okay. What the full form of JVM? Java Virtual Machine. What the full form of CLR? Common Language Runtime. Common Language Runtime. .NET program is executed by one special software called what? CLR. Not executed by OS. Tell me, buddy, HTML page is not executed by OS. HTML page is executed by a browser. So who is the platform of HTML program? Browser. Tell me, all these points are necessary or not? Every day in your course, Java program, who is executed, you should know. HTML program, who is executed, you should know. So it is my responsibility to give all these details. So finally tell me, a C and C++ program platform is OS. It means C and C++ programs are executed by OS directly. A Java program platform is JVM. It means Java programs are not executed by OS. They are executed by one special intermediate software, middle software called what? JVM. Java program platform is JVM and JVM platform is OS. Who will execute JVM software? OS. Observe now. Java program executed by JVM. JVM is executed by OS. .NET program executed by CLR. CLR executed by OS. HTML page is executed by browser, browser executed by OS. So I given other details. Python program platform is JVM, Java, PVM, Python, .NET, CLR, HTML, browser. Tell me, audio, video files are executed by media player software, for example, VLC. Now tell me, what is platform dependency? Dependent on platform. What is the platform? OS. A program that I developed in one OS, if it cannot execute in another OS, then we call it as what? Platform dependent. You develop this program in which OS? Windows. Now this program I copy in the pen drive and take into Windows OS computer, execute it. Take into Linux computer, not executed. Solaris, not executed. Mac OS, not executed. Then this program is called what? Platform dependent. For example, C and C++ programs are platform dependent. In which OS you develop C and C++ program, in the same OS computer you can execute. Another OS computer you cannot execute. Tell me now. Platform independency means what? A program developed in one OS, if it can be executed in any other OS computer, then we call it as what? Platform independent. For example, Java, .NET, Python, HTML, audio video files, all are what? Platform independent. Hello, this program become platform independent. Is it its a talent? No. It is intermediate software is executing called what? JVM. Because in all operating systems, we have a special software called JVM. That's why Java program can happily go and execute in all operating systems. So if JVM is not there, tell me, if JVM is not there, then can we execute that program? No. For example, I have developed one special OS called HKOA. Did you watch Mahesh Babu movie? He developed one OS, AI based OS. Na? What was that movie? Mahesh Babu movie. Huh? A spider, no. Maharshi. Maharshi movie, he invented one OS. Na? Like that, I also invented one OS called HKOS. Tell me, this program, can I run here or cannot run? Yes, sir. No, na. Yes, no, na. Can I run my Java program in this new OS computer? Yes. No. Yes, no. What is your answer? Wrong answer. Yes, no. Depends. Java program executed in Windows because Windows match na, because JVM is there. JVM is there. Next, this program executed in Linux computer because Linux JVM is there. This program executed in Solaris because Solaris JVM is there. This Java program executed in Mac OS because Mac JVM is there. Similarly, if you want to execute Java program in HKOS, here also I must have what? JVM. If a JVM software suitable to HKOS is not there, can Java program execute or cannot execute? Cannot execute. So tell me, how Java program become platform independent? How Java program execute in all operating system? Because of the intermediate software called what? JVM. The translation software called what? JVM. If JVM is not there, Java cannot become platform independent. Everyone understand? Shall I ask a question? Everyone, are you platform dependent or platform independent? Are you? Are you platform dependent or platform independent? Sir, what is the platform dependent, platform independent? What is my platform? Where are you running? Where did you born? Where did you brought up? Now where did you available? You born and brought up in another state. Now all the way you come to the Telangana state for learning Java by Harikrishna. Then who are you? Platform dependent or platform independent? State dependent or state independent? Here, what is your platform? State, Babu. What is your state? Where you are working? Independent or dependent? Independent. You can come to Telangana and you can live in Telangana, no problem. Even you can go to Andhra. From there you can go to Karnataka, Bangalore. From there go to Tamil Nadu, Chennai. You can go anywhere all over India or not. If you want to come to Telangana, first you should know Telugu. In Telangana, which language we are speaking? Telugu. But what is your language? Non-Telugu. Then how can you survive here? How can you survive here? By JVM. Who is that JVM? English. Who is that JVM? English. Common language. Or you don't know English. Then you finding one translator na? Who know Hindi, Telugu. You are catching, come here. तुमको तेलुगु हिंदी आता? हाँ, मैं हिंदी में पूछता हूँ, तुम तेलुगु को कन्वर्ट करो. वो तेलुगु में बोलता, तुम हिंदी को कन्वर्ट करो. And tell me, now I am a businessman. I am doing this business. I am a Telangana one person. I want to do business throughout India in different states. Then is it possible for me to learn all regional languages of our India? Not possible. Even one lifetime also it's not possible. Then what am I doing? I am going to other state. That state language known person, when a translator I am finding, I will speak in my language Telugu, and then that person converted to that state language and informed to the workers. So tell me now, here, Windows, can you consider as Telugu? I am speaking in Telugu. Now I am going from my state to what? Other state called what? Odisha. Orissa na Orissa. Orissa. Okay. Then tell me, here, I don't know Oriya language. And then tell me, what I will find? I will find one translator. This translator is my language translator or Odisha language translator? Orissa. He knows my language Telugu plus what? Odia. Then from there, I went to what? Maharashtra. Maharashtra, next state. Okay. And tell me, which language person come to the Maharashtra state? Telugu. Same language, Telugu. There is no difference. This Telugu language person come here. Tell me, in Maharashtra, I find same translator, new translator. Fast respond. Hey, this translator no only Odia re. Maharashtra language is what? Marathi, na? And tell me, this person no Oriya, but what person? What I required? Marathi known person. Then this JVM is old JVM, another new JVM, another new JVM, old JVM, new JVM. It knows what? Marathi. So taking Telugu, converting to what? Marathi. Here who is the OS? Worker. The worker no Marathi here. Now tell me, you tell me one example now. From the where I catch the flight and come to what? Karnataka. Bangalore. Karnataka. Tell me, Karnataka, I went with Kannada language or Telugu language only. My language is same Telugu. And here I am finding what? One more translator. This translator is which translator? Oriya translator, Marathi translator, Kannada translator. Kannada. That means all three JVMs are same, three different JVMs are. Three different JVMs. Samajh mein aaya? Three different JVMs. Now this JVM takes Telugu, converted to what? Solaris OS language and executed. So finally tell me, how Java can become platform independent by using one intermediate language and one translation software. So Java become platform independent with the help of two concepts. Number one, intermediate language. Number two, translation software. Everybody please notice. Change. Okay. Somebody saying I'm buffering. Online students, is my voice clear? Online students, please quickly reply. It's breaking up now. Mic testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. It's working fine, man. Buffering. Maybe there is an internet problem your side, maybe. Check. Now okay na? Okay. Previously leave it. Now, अभी अच्छा है. Now observe. I am developing edition.java. I am explaining how Java achieved platform independence. Yesterday, if you all remember, I told you, we develop program. This program I type as I like. Then can it execute or cannot execute? Cannot execute. There are maybe some syntax mistakes you commit. Those syntax mistakes must be cleared. Na? After developing your Java program, you are giving this Java program to one special software called JVM. Compiler. First syntax has to verify. Na? JVM is meant for syntax checking or running. Then notes you return notes. Not reading, not studied yesterday. Open notes. After development, what you have to do? Compile. After compiling, you have to execute. So edition.java, what I done? Development. After development completed, what I have to do? Compile. Okay, after development, what am I doing here? This arrow mark, compilation. What is the meaning of compilation? Compilation means checking, are there any syntax mistakes in this program? Assume there are no syntax mistakes. If no syntax mistakes are there, this program, what I have written is my understandable way I have written. All are catching my point? I wrote Java program in my understandable way. But the Java program should be executed by whom? JVM. Can JVM understand my language? No. JVM understanding another language. That language name is called bytecode. What's the name? Bytecode. Bytecode. That bytecode is stored in a special file called edition.class. What the file name? Edition.class. Come on. Everyone repeat once again. Today class is very important. Many new words you are learning today. First, what I do? Develop a program and save in a file with extension .java. Repeat. First up is what? Develop a program and save in a file with extension. Bolo. .java, not Java. With extension .java. Everyone. Bhaiya. White shirt. Further. I develop a program and save in a file with extension .java. Everyone, what I did in this line, repeat. We develop a program and save that program with an extension and save that program in a file with extension .java. Okay na? Okay na? Paka? Understood? Understood? You become knowledgeable or experienced? There are two levels. Knowledge. What I am saying, you listen, knowledge. I am telling something about my house. My house is very beautiful and it has many rooms. And in each room, we have arranged the things as we like. And we have a big TV. In the TV, wonderful speakers are there. What did you understand? What do you understand, knowledge? What is there in my house? Tell me, what is the color of my house? I said, I have a beautiful house. What is the color? I said, in my house, there is a TV. What is the company of the TV? What is the brand of the TV? I said, this TV is having wonderful speaker system, sound system. Which company sound system I attached? I said, my house has a multiple rooms. How many? And tell me, you experienced my house, sir, just got knowledge of my house, sir. Knowledge. Experience, and you should see. You should speak. You see and speak, then you become what? Experience. Next time, I'll call. Arey, weekend party, ra, come. Will you come directly to my house, sir? Should I again describe anything? No. That's what? Experience. 2 hours class. This class is 2 hours class. In this 2 hours class, I will teach, also make you learn, not listen. Understand? Until payment completed one way, after payment completed another way, I will not teach. Understand? Before payment completed, what is the way I am torturing you? After payment, double torture will be there. Understand? Why? You did the payment to me for listening purpose or learning purpose? Learning. Then it's my responsibility to force you to learn. Being a student, you always want to escape. Last 22 years, you are escaping, no? Again, you want to continue the same escaping mechanism. I will force you to learn. How can you learn? By listening or by speaking? Speaking. Until you speak, I will not go to the next point. Then your time and my time, both the time will be wasted. If you speak with me fast, then we'll go to the next point fast. So that you will experience, next point you will easily understand. So tell me, one day only difficult, sir. Today, whatever I am teaching, tomorrow onwards, same words I am using. Day after tomorrow, tomorrow, same words I am using. So tell me, today words you are not by hearting. Tomorrow words you are not by hearting. Suddenly, all the 1 week notes I am using in the next week. Then what do you feel? Abba, Java, very tough. Hare Krishna, more tough. Feeling? Is it true? If you learn today topic today, tomorrow topic will be easy. Day after tomorrow topic will be more easy. So please involve, respond, and tell me. Yesterday I told you how many activities we perform as part of our programming. Number 1, development. Number 1, you forgot. I am reminding. Come on. Number 1, development. Number 2, compilation. Number 3, execution. Come on. It's not a class. It's not college. It's not the school. If I give wrong answer, sir may decrease my internal marks. I don't have any internal marks. Okay. And next, if I talk wrong answer, my friend may laugh. Let him laugh. Why he is laughing? Because he also don't know answer. Understand? If you know answer, he will not laugh. He will look at you. Arey, no, wrong answer. This is the right answer. He will correct. No experienced person, no senior laugh at other. Tell me, have you seen any lecturer or any teacher laughing at the students? No. Why? Because we know we are here to correct. But your friend laugh at you. Why? Because your friend also don't know. You don't know, I don't know. Come on, both are friends. That's why laughing. To create the friendship with you, smiling at you. If somebody is laughing at you, smiling at you, look at them, ask, you also don't know? Come on, we are the friends. Understand? Next, very, very important. How much fast you are breaking your laziness and fear, that much fast you involve in the subject, that much fast you will move ahead of other people. You all people join as a class with zero knowledge. It's a running race. Do you remember there was a movie, All is Well, All is Well. What is that? 3 Idiots. In that virus tell, it's a race. Okay, na? It's a race. All you people join in a running race. How much fast you pick up that speed, that much fast you get up the subject and will be one step ahead than your friends. Understand my point? If you are keep on watching me, listening me, like in college, you'll be there only at 0 level. You cannot come to the 1, 2, 3. So change your mind. Don't wait for other people to speak. You speak and make other people to speak. నువ్వు బతుకు పక్కన బతికించు. You live, make others to live. ఓకేనా? You should be a leader, not a follower. Software industry required leaders, not followers. You have to start, let other people follow you. If you are waiting for someone to speak so that I will join my voice, then what happened? Lifelong you will require someone to help you. So change your mind. Come on. You speak, let other people to join with. Ready? You want to be a leader or follower? Leader. So you are getting a feel. Ayyo, neno, leader, ammo. Huh? So first you accept, I am a leader. I can lead the people. I can lead the people. You know, leading people is not that much easy. You should have more knowledge. I am a leader. I have 20 years of experience in Java. I am sharing my entire 20 years of experience to you. You become HK plus, CC plus plus, HK plus plus. Just blindly follow me. If I say repeat, you repeat. Don't wait for other person to repeat. You repeat. Let other people join with you. Ready? Again you are waiting. Ready? Only one person saying. Remaining people, no, I am a follower. Okay. So tell me, what are the 3 activities we do in a program? Development, compilation, execution. What is the meaning of development? Development means what? Writing or typing? You cannot write, you type. Right? Don't say writing. Typing and saving. Where? In a file. With the extension .java. ఎంత గుర్తుంటే అంత చెప్పండి. How much you remember, that much you tell. Filling the blanks. Slowly filling the blanks will come as what? Sentence. I will start the sentence. In the middle, I will give the gap. Main words, what you have to speak, I will give the blank. You fill the blank. Don't wait for other people to fill the blank. Don't give the chance for other person to grab the opportunity. You grab the opportunity. When you all people went to the interviewer standing here and asking a question, whoever give first answer, he will get the job. Then will you give the chance for other person to answer? While question is asking only, answer should be ready in your mind. That is a practice we need to do. Okay? Now tell me now. Next, what is the meaning of compilation? Checking syntaxes and translating to JVM understandable language. What the JVM understandable language? Bytecode, and save this bytecode. Save this bytecode in a new file. With the extension .class. Excellent, wonderful, marvelous. Now tell me, what is your first step? Development. What is our next step? Compilation. What is the meaning of compilation? Checking syntaxes. After checking syntaxes, if it is right, you want to run, who will run? JVM will run. What is the JVM understandable language? Bytecode. So checking syntaxes and translating to the bytecode in JVM understandable way is the job of translation. Next, tell me, execution. What is execution? Running. Bolo, running. What? Our originally typed code, translated code. Excellent. Running bytecode. How? JVM running bytecode with the help of OS. OS understandable language is bytecode or machine code? Machine code. ఇప్పుడు 2 ఆప్షన్స్ ఇచ్చానురా, ఇది మొబైలా ఇది మొబైలా అని చెప్పా. ఏది మొబైల్? ఇదే కదా. In 2 options, already you know what is bytecode. Bytecode is JVM understandable. Then I am saying, will OS understand bytecode? No. What is the bytecode understandable language? Is it bytecode or machine language code? Two options I given. First option already wrong. Second option only is the remaining. Na? Then what you would say? Machine language code. So what is machine language code? I don't know. That is second question. Understand? It is not college. I am not teacher. This is not teaching. This is what? Learning. Learning will be question and answer based, discussion based. I will not teach. I will discuss subject. Within 1 week, observe, you blindly follow me and follow my way of teaching. Within 1 week, you will get addicted this style of learning and you will start slowly getting what? Goosebumps in the class. Hey, I am answering, Ra. Wow, I am speaking, Ra. Oh my God, I am understanding everything. What is happening? In my college, what is saying one day also not understand. Today I understood everything. Within 1 week, I'll make you expert in Java. 1 week only time you have to give. How? What is my style of teaching? Discussion. In the discussion style, you fully involve in the subject, you fully listening, fully analyzing, fully answering, automatically you understand. In college, what happened? Development means typing and saving in a file with extension.java. Compilation means what? Checking syntaxes and translating. Execution means running bytecode. Sachin? You are not visualizing, you are listening. By listening, you will sleep. By speaking, you involve. Have you know swimming? Swimming, right? You join, do you know swimming? Okay. You join for swimming training. Tell me, you stand on the outside, is the trainer jumping into water and swimming? Think, very important. You have to realize, is a trainer jumping into water and he is swimming and explaining, this is how you have to swim. What he is doing? He will give the life jacket to you, balloons or whatever, and then he will be there outside of the water and he is throwing you inside the water. Yes or no? And you are, sir, I don't know how to swim. That's why you joined, that's why you joined. Move your hands, so you move your legs. Within 2 to 3 days, you will start getting what? Balance of your body. That is called training. Okay? Next. Do you know car driving? Car driving. Okay, join car driving school. Array, when you join car driving school, who know car driving? You tell me. That the driver, the teacher, making you sit in co-driver seat or driver seat? Driver seat. And he is sitting on the co-driving seat and asking, come, sit. Hey, first day when I join car driving, I want to learn car driving because license I want. Bike and car license both together I want to take. Then I joined the school. The car driver asked me, sit there. I shocked and with fear. क्या बोलता रहे तुम? मुझको कार नहीं आता. इसलिए तुम एक कोर्स को ज्वाइन किया. आजा. And he shouted at me, you joined car driving school, not car listening school. Asli, I shocked. Correct hai. You joined car driving learning school, not car listening school. Sit. No, sir, I don't. You sit. Then he said, this is called steering. You move this side, car go this side. You move this side, car go this side. Hold it, it will go straight. Okay. Then down, observe. A, B, C. Accelerator, brake, clutch. Left leg, right leg for brake, accelerator. And left leg is for what? Clutch. Okay. This is gear. Press clutch, change the gear. Slowly release the clutch. Release. Tuck, 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 tuck. Stop. Slowly release. Okay. Then what happened? First day, second day, third day, fourth day, I got the balance because already you know bike riding. Training, except this education, remaining all places, you directly involved in the training from the first day, even though you don't know anything. Trainer saying, you are doing. Trainer saying, you are doing. But in education, teacher only saying, teacher only doing, you are watching. That is the problem in the education. Everybody got clarity or realized? Na? You join football training. Then tell me, who is kicking the ball? You are your trainer. You only, na? So, in Java also, I am a trainer, not a teacher. You are not a student. You are a learner. I'm a trainer. You are a learner. So, inward. Sir, I don't know anything, sir. That's why I'm giving you a question following by two options. Sir, which option correct? I don't know. Second option always correct. Hey, understood? Question, two options. Second option is always correct. First option is always wrong. So what do you have to do? What do you have to do? I am expecting answer from you. What do you have to do? Say second option always. Are you catching my point? Say second option always. Sir, why, sir? When second option is always right, why I should say? That's what training. That's what making you involved in the subject. Listen. I am asking now, tell me, operating system language is byte code or machine code? You are just looking at my face. Then, activeness in the body there or not there? Not there. Your brain thinking or not thinking? Not thinking. When you say machine code, then your brain is asking, machine code. What is machine code? Understand my point? Your brain is asking, whenever you say machine code, your brain activated and it started raising questions. What? Hey, what is machine code? I don't understand. Whenever you speak, your brain take that word and started working. When you don't speak, ideal. It don't work. It don't raise any questions. So, you are here to operate your brain, to train your brain. How can you train your brain? By using your mouth. So when you speak, immediately it will raise a question. What is machine code? That is my next question. What is machine code? Zeros and ones. Every data operating system can understand only in the terms of what? 0 and 1. Not in the terms of letters, not in the terms of digits. It understands only in the terms of what? Letters, zeros and ones. Tell me, what the meaning of it? Suppose you are writing addition program, int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, int c equal to a plus b, system dot out dot println c. This is your Java program. Suppose, assume, if you give this program to JVM looking at your face and, hey, kya raha bhai, musko pata nahi. I don't understand it. If you give it to the operating system also don't understand. Asking, hey, what is this? IENOTE? I don't understand. I know only zeros and ones. I know only byte code. So, what is required? This program I must give to whom now? Compiler. Then compiler translate that code to whom now? Byte code. Sir, what is byte code? Byte code is a command. Small command. Electronic students, anybody know electronics? In electronics, we have mnemonics. Small commands are there, mnemonics. Even in your CSE also, electronics commands are there. Okay, processor commands. First semester, processor will come. 8085, 8086. Store R1, 10. Store R2, 20. Add R1, R2, R3. Okay, na? This is small commands called byte code, which is understandable to JVM. This is understandable to whom? Developer. And compiler also. Compiler understand our code, also understand what? JVM code. Then JVM takes this code. We are giving this code to JVM. Tell me now, JVM can run this code? No. Who is responsible to run? Operating system. Then operating system understand which code? Zeros and ones. This is store R110, store R220, add R1, R2, R3 should be converted to what? Zeros and ones. Zeros and ones. Who will convert that zeros and ones? JVM. And give the zeros and ones to operating system. Operating system run that machine language code and generates output and print what? That. Everybody understand? So tell me, what is the process of developing, compiling and executing program? So who will execute our program? JVM. Actually, who will execute the program? OS. But OS understandable language is what? Machine code. If machine code directly develop, observe. This is my addition program. This addition program, I converted to machine code of which operating system? Windows. Then this machine code of Linux not understood. This machine code not understood to Mac OS. Machine code of one operating system is different from another operating system. So machine code, of course, Windows machine code is zeros ones, Linux machine code also zeros and ones, Mac machine code also zeros ones. But the zeros and ones arrangement format is changing from one OS to another OS. The program you compiled in Windows generate machine code directly that cannot be executed by another OS. That's why the program become what? Platform dependent. Then what is platform independent? The program you converted into one intermediate language called what? Bytecode. That intermediate language bytecode is converted into machine code of which operating system? Windows. Suppose you are executing in Windows, JVM convert the bytecode to Windows machine language. Same program, same bytecode, I am executing in Mac OS. Then what happened? Then here, Mac OS JVM, take the bytecode, convert it to machine language of Mac and give to the Mac. So final conclusion is what? Tell me the diagram. What are the activities we do in a program? 3. Develop, compile, execute. Development means type the program and save with the extension .java. Compile means what? Check the syntaxes, translate it into bytecode and save in a new file with extension .class. Now let's know addition.java. This addition.java program we are giving to whom now? Compiler. Compiler read line by line available in addition.java file and converted into bytecode and save that bytecode in a file called what? File called what? .class file, addition.class. Listen carefully, new words I am introducing. The main code which we typed and saved here is called what? Source code. What code? Source code. Whatever you type is called source code. Developer understandable code is called source code. And from the source code, the generated converted code is called what? Bytecode. Okay? Tell me, this entire work you are doing in one computer. Tell me, what is the computer operating system? It should be specific any OS. Any OS. You are compiling specific to one OS, common to all OS. Common to all OS. This process, converting source code to bytecode, this process is called what? Compilation. What is called? Compilation. Then I want to execute. Where? You want to execute? Where? Windows computer. Where you want to execute? Windows OS. Then what to do? Take this addition.class file, download that addition.class file, copy, paste, and give this addition.file to whom now? Bolo. You are seriously watching like in college. Give to whom? Every question, last question mark, question word is there. You have to answer. Give to whom? JVM. Now, what JVM will do? JVM generates or translate. Generate what? Machine language code. Machine language code of whom? Windows. Machine language of Windows. Then what will do? Windows means OS, execute and produce out. Everyone understand how Java program executed? Tell me, how many translators are involved here? 2. Number 1, compiler. Number 2, JVM. Compiler is responsible for converting source code to bytecode. And JVM is responsible for converting bytecode to machine language code of current OS. Okay. My Java program is platform dependent or platform independent? Go. Platform independent, take another computer. Another computer. A kaun hai? Linux OS computer hai. Linux or Linux. Anything you can pronounce. Indian terminology, Linux. US terminology, Linux. Note the component of the and tell me what to do now. Again, I have to take the same edition dot class. Adiksha, how many times you compile the program? Only one time. That one time compiled program you are executing how many times? Many times. Where? In the same operating system or different operating systems, sir? Different operating system. Hello, in this Linux computer also, I must have JVM. Super, super, super. Tell me, this JVM is responsible for generating generates what? Machine language code of excellent Linux. Then Linux OS execute machine language, produce output. Different output or same output? Same output. Same program, same output. Same machine language code or different machine language code? Different machine language code. This is the machine language of Windows. This is the machine language of Linux. If machine language code is same, then why all this JVM nonsense? Understand my point? Machine language code is changing from one OS to another OS. That's why we need a translator. Okay, done. Next. Come on. Another computer whose operating system is macOS. क्या करना? Take same compiled program. क्या? Take same compiled program edition dot class. What is that edition dot class? Compiled program. Take same compiled program. Next. Give it to terminology, full sentence. 2 times you are giving the one word. Now third time try. Give it to JVM. Give it to JVM. JVM generates machine language code of macOS. Hello, this machine language code is same as a previous machine language code? No. Then make macOS execute the produce the machine language code and produce what? Out. Produce out. So tell me, how many times you develop the program? Once. How many times you write the program? One. Write once. Run anywhere. Then Java program style, platform independent style is what? Write once, run anywhere. To make Java program platform independent, 2 new concepts are there. Number 1, bytecode and JVM. Bytecode and JVM. How Java achieved platform independency? Java achieved platform independency by using bytecode and JVM. Bytecode is the intermediate code common to all operating systems and specific to JVM. Common to all operating system and specific to JVM. Then what is JVM? JVM is a Java platform. JVM is a Java platform. It is a translation software. It is responsible for running Java bytecode by converting into current OS machine language. So repeat again. What is bytecode? Bytecode is a instruction set or set of instructions. Bytecode is a set of instructions. It is an intermediate code to the JVM, which is common to all operating systems. Second point. What is JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Okay. JVM is a Java platform. Okay. JVM is a translation software. It is responsible for running Java bytecode by converting it into current OS machine language. So Java achieved platform independency by using bytecode and JVM. In Java, what is the statement? In Java, first Java program is developed in a plain text and saved in a file with extension .java. Then later, it is compiled into bytecode. Later, bytecode is translated into machine language code and executed and output is produced. So all points I have documented why C++ programs are platform dependent. In C and C++, the C program directly compiled into machine language of one OS whose machine code cannot be understood to another OS. Okay, na? Machine code of one OS is different from another OS. Then what Java people did? Java people ignore compiling machine code, introduced what? Common code called what? Bytecode. With the help of bytecode and JVM, we develop what? Platform independency. All points I have mentioned here. Why C++ programming languages are platform dependent? How Java achieved platform independency? In Java, program is not compiled targeting to any particular OS. The Java program is compiled into bytecode, which is an intermediate language of all operating systems. Then later, this bytecode is executed by JVM by translated it into current OS machine language code. Because we have separate JVM for every operating system, the same compiled code, bytecode, is executed in all operating systems with the help of JVM. Hence, Java achieved platform independency. That is, write once, run anywhere. Below program shows platform independence. Everybody got clarity here? So what are the points we have covered? Let us quickly repeat all the points. How much you understand and remember, let us try to check. With this knowledge, we are entering into the first program development. Online students, check, I am going to repeat. All the people participate. What is Java? Java is a programming language. What type of programming language? Object oriented. What type of object oriented? So what is Java? Java is a platform independent object oriented programming language. Why Java? Java is meant for who invented Java? Oh, sorry. One second. Who invented Java? Mr. James Cosley in Sun Microsystem in the year 1991. Why James Cosley invented Java? For developing internet application, for achieving platform independency to develop internet application. Then you said internet application. Based on that, how many types of applications we have? Two types. Standalone application and internet application. What is standalone application? What is internet application? An application that cannot be accessible from internet is called what? Standalone application. An application that is installed in one computer can be accessible from the same computer is called what? Standalone application. For example, calculator, antivirus. Internet application, a program that is available in one computer can be accessed from another computer browser without reinstalling is called what? Internet application. For example, Amazon, IRCTC. Okay. What now here? What is Java? You have used the word called what? Platform independency. What is a platform? And runtime environment. What is platform independency? The program which is developed in one OS cannot execute in another OS. Yeah, same problem. What is the problem? Operating system, one operating system, machine language cannot be understandable by another operating system. Hence, it cannot be executed. Answer my question. If I develop a program, compile the program, targeting to one OS, executed by the OS directly, then it is what? Platform dependent. If I develop a program, compile the program, common to all operating system, not executing directly by JVM, then that is what? Platform independent. Why C and C++ programming languages are platform dependent? C and C++ programs are compile, develop, compile, targeting to one OS. Hence, the compiled code contain machine language of one OS whose format not understandable to another OS. Then, how Java achieved platform independency? In Java, program is not compiled targeting to one OS. Hence, Java compiled code is not machine language code. It is a one intermediate language called bytecode. Later, this bytecode is converted into particular OS machine language by JVM. So how Java achieved platform independency? Java achieved platform independency by using bytecode and JVM. Important facts on Java program and Java software. Are you ready? Ready here? All these 7 points are available here. Totally 12 points I am going to talk. 12 points. All 12 points you know. All 12 points you know. Let us see how many people can recollect the knowledge you gain and try to talk. Ready? All people should participate. మీకు ఎంతవరకు గుర్తుంటే అంతవరకు చెప్పండి. How much you remember, that much you try to tell. But don't sit silent. Don't sit silently. As much you remember, that much you try to tell. Online students, ready? I want you participate more. Ready? Offline students are already slowly habituated. Now is the time. Online students. Question number 1. What is Java slogan? What is Java slogan? Write once, run anywhere. Born in one state, run in any state. That is called Java slogan. Array, let me ask a question. To understand this slogan, understand bytecode and JVM, I want to give one real-time example. Okay, na? Are you country dependent or country independent? You. Country dependent or country independent? You born in India, can you go to any other country as you like? You can go to any state as you like. No objection. Passport, visa not required. To move from one state to another state, passport, visa not required. But if you want to go from one country to another country, you require passport and visa, na? Tell me, what is passport? Platform independent. If you want to become country independent, you need 2 things: passport, visa. To make Java program platform independent, platform is OS. Country is what? OS. Independent. We have 2 concepts are there in Java. What is passport? Bytecode. What is visa? Tell me. Passport is checked in India, na? Visa for going for other country. Right? Passport for my sake, my country is giving. Visa is giving by another country. So who is passport here? Compiler generated code in your system, bytecode. With this bytecode passport, now I can go from here to there. There, who is available? JVM. That country policeman, the moment you step into that what do you call airport, there the police security people are asking, where is your visa? Where is your JVM? So tell me, if anybody asks, how Java achieved platform independency? What is your answer? Because Java has a passport and visa. Java has passport and visa to all operating system. That's why it is go and execute everywhere. Right. Now come back. What is the Java slogan? Vara. Write once, run anywhere. Second, in Java, what is the responsibility of compiler? Okay. Let me take. How many translation software Java uses? 2. What are the 2? Compiler and JVM. Compiler also translation software. JVM is also translation software. Number 3. What is the compiler role? Converting, checking syntaxes and converting source code to bytecode and saving bytecode in a new file with a dot class extension. So big sentence, sir. If you keep on saying word by word, suddenly your mind will start telling what? Complete sentence. If you are watching word by word, then one fine day you feel, Java very tough. Okay, slowly try to tell word by word. Checking syntaxes, translating, remaining words I will attach. Okay, na? All right. Next word try to tell. Next question at least. Join with me. Join with me. One day, Yad bhavam tad bhavati. Your actions are because of your thought. Create a good thought. I have to talk. How many times he will ask me? How many times he should request me? Okay, let me talk. What happened? మన ప్రభాస్ చెప్పాడు కదా, ప్రేమిద్దాం డూడ్, మహా అయితే ఏమవుతారు, అవతోడు ప్రేమిస్తారు, అంతే కదా. తెలుగు పీపుల్ నో దిస్ డైలాగ్. ఇన్ హిందీ ఆల్సో దిస్ మూవీ ఇస్ దేర్, రైట్? Now what is that? Let me tell maximum what happened. I may give wrong answer. If you give wrong answer, he is there to correct me. By giving wrong answer, one point he will give what? Correct answer. Tell me. Failures are stepping stones to success. Failures are first failure. You learn, should not do like this. Then you are going to move. Again, one more mistake. Again, you are moving. One more mistake. Again, you are moving. One more mistake. Finally, reach your target. Failures are stepping stones to success. No one can get the success first attempt. It's true. If you want, you can check. When you born, first day only started getting walking? No. 1 year you took to walk. First day when he's trying to stand, balancing the body, no, step by step you are doing, slowly you are getting balance. You take anything, cycle riding, honestly, you know how many times you fell down. So everything you learn by mistakes only. Commit mistakes. You have full freedom in the class. Learn. Come on, everyone try to talk. What is the role of JVM? JVM role. JVM role. Running bytecode. How? By translating it into current OS machine language. Okay, na? Now I am asking one interesting question. How many extension files does Java has? In a C language, we have 3 extension files: .c, .obj, .exe. Source code extension file, compiled code extension file, also executable code extension file. 3 extension files are there in C language, C++. But in Java, we have only 2 extensions. What are the 2 extensions? Source code .java, compiled code .class. First one. Second one, compiled code .class. 2 extension files only available. Okay. Now, interviewer will ask question compulsory. Why Java doesn't support? This symbol is what? Not in Java, not explanatory mark. Not Acharya Ardhakam. Okay. It is what? Not. Why Java doesn't support .exe file? Why Java doesn't support .exe file? Why Java has only source code file and compiled file? Why it doesn't have executable file? Think, tell me. Sorry, shall I give clue? Executable file, .exe file contains machine language code of this OS. Now tell me, why Java doesn't have exe files? Okay, let me ask another question. In Java, source code is saved. After compilation, bytecode is also saved. JVM translate the bytecode to machine language code, executed. After execution, machine code is saved in hard disk or destroyed. Why are you seeing my face? Look at the board. Answer is there on the board. When I'm talking this diagram. Again repeating. Look at the diagram, everyone. Don't see my. First, you type the code, save in the hard disk with the extension .java. Then you are giving .java source code to compiler. Compiler convert the source code to bytecode, destroying or saving in hard disk. Answer. Saving in the hard disk. In what file? .class. Then this bytecode .class file we are giving to JVM. JVM reading the bytecode, converted to machine code, executed. After that, machine code is destroyed, saved in the saved in the hard disk. Diagram has answer. After JVM execution, is there any new file is there or not there? Not there. That means what happened? Destroyed. If you want to execute a second time, again you have to give what? Compiled code to JVM. JVM again generate machine language, again executed, destroy that machine language. Every time machine language is destroyed, not saved inside the hard disk. That's why exe file is not available. Now my question is, why that machine language code is destroyed? Why second time when I want to execute again, you start with a what you call byte code? Why? Why? Answer already given. Just you need to put your brain, bring it to previous point. Again repeating. Exe file contain machine language code. Sorry. Exe file contain machine language code. In Java, machine language code is destroyed after execution, not saved as a file. Why? Whenever I ask a question, why, there is a problem, na? Why it is not saved? Maybe there is a problem. What is the problem of machine language code? Think. What the problem with machine language code? Why this JVM? Why that bytecode? All this nonsense. Why? You are not directly converting source code to the machine language code. Machine language is platform dependent. This machine language code not understand to another OS. That is a point. You are listening. That's why you are not recollecting. Repeat again. What is the problem with the machine language code? It is a platform dependent. It not understood to another OS. Java want platform dependent or platform independent? Platform independent. Java want to be platform independent. So all the files and code should be platform independent. If machine language code is saved, then the code become platform dependent. That's why in Java, exe file not. Repeat again. Why Java doesn't have exe file? Reason number one, it contains machine code, hence it is a platform dependent. Reason number two, Java is a secured programming language. Java is a secured programming language. Exe files are easily affected by virus. Exe files are easily affected by virus. Now tell me, if you want a secured file, exe file should not be there, na? Reason number three, Java, if you store exe file in your computer, try to think. Java want to develop standalone application or internet application? Internet application means always you want to download program from the server, na? If you download server machine language code to the client system, can it execute here? Cannot execute. Cannot execute. The exe code saved in the server system is useful or useless? Useless. So why Java doesn't save exe file? Three reasons. Reason number one, it contains machine code, platform dependent. Reason number two, it is easily affected by virus, not secure. Reason number three, useless. Because always Java wanted to download a program from server, which is saved in your computer, never executed. So due to these three reasons, what happened? The exe files are ignored. So repeat once again all points quickly. First one, what is Java slogan? How many translators Java use? What are they? Translators. Okay. What is the role of compiler? Check the syntaxes, translate source code to bytecode. What is the role of JVM? Run the bytecode, not translate. Run the bytecode. Use the word run the bytecode, and by translating into machine language code. How many extension files Java has? What are they? Source code .java or .java with source code, .class with a bytecode. Why Java doesn't have exe file? Because it is a platform dependent, not secure, and useless. Three reasons. What are the three reasons? Platform dependent, not secure, useless. Okay, na? Header. body language is also very important. In the interview, body language also important. Remember, you are going to interview room to sell you yourself with your acting skills. Acting skills, sir, I'm not going to become an actor, sir. Hey, software engineer is an actor first. You have to act the examples. If you sit like this, Java is a platform independent, object oriented programming language, you will not get job. You are not a student, you are a developer. You should sit like this, not folding hands, sit like this, smile face. Okay, and you have to start telling, yeah, actually, hands, hand movement, eyebrows movement, expressions should be there. Yes, well, what is Java? Okay, you have to say, well, Java is a platform independent. Face, platform independent. I'm stressing. When you're stressing, eyebrows and hands, platform independent, object oriented programming language. Object oriented. Oriented what? Circle. Oriented around. Java is a acting. Acting is very important. Hands should be like this seriously. Java is a stressing. Java is a platform independent, object oriented programming language. It is used for developing internet applications by achieving platform independency. It is developed by, understand my heading, my head moving, developed by a scientist called Mr. James Gosling in Sun Microsystem. Head, you should keep on move head strictly. Job will not be. Okay, interviewer is a director, is a producer. You want a job, you have to act. Acting skills also important. Body language is also important. You should also learn body language. Tell me now. Next point. Ready? 6 points completed. Next point. But I'll ask. Next points are very easy. Okay, there is no difficulty. Tell me, if you want to compile, execute your program, you need two softwares, compiler and JVM. Na? What is Java software? What is a Java software? Java software is nothing but, a software is nothing but combination of few things. What are they? Last few points. Java software means, number one, bolo, compiler. Number one, compiler. Number two, excellent, JVM. Number three, predefined programs. Predefined programs. If you want to develop a program, you must use predefined program. Predefined program, API. Predefined programs are called library in C language. In Java, we call them as what? Library. Sorry. In C called library. In Java, we call what? API. Now tell me, what is Java software? A Java software is a combination of compiler plus JVM plus API. All these three together, we call what? Software. Okay. Now my question, carefully observe. Carefully observe. In a Java software, compiler is platform dependent or platform independent? Do you have separate compiler for every OS or one compiler for all operating systems? One compiler. By input is Java, output is also Java. There is no OS specific content is generated by compiler. So what is compiler? Compiler is a platform independent. Compiler is a platform independent. Super. Next tell me. Very, very important. Is Java, sir, JVM, is JVM platform dependent or platform independent? Platform dependent. Platform dependent or independent? Excellent. Platform dependent. Why? JVM has to generate machine language of a particular OS, na? So Windows JVM should work for what? Windows OS. Linux JVM should work for what? Linux OS. And the third JVM should work for what? Mac. That's why what? Compiler is a Java compiler and JVM is a OS specific. Windows JVM, Linux JVM, Mac JVM. Okay, na? Right. So tell me, what is JVM? JVM is platform dependent. Super. Then, very important point, everybody focus and tell me. Compiler is platform independent. JVM is platform. API means a program, na? Predefined Java program. Tell me, predefined Java program is platform dependent or platform independent? Platform independent. Java program is platform independent, can execute in all operating system. Then totally, finally tell me, Java software is platform dependent or platform independent? Java software is platform dependent or platform independent? What is the meaning of dependent, independent, man? Single Java software, the same Java software, can I install and run in all operating systems? Yes or no? Na? Single Java software, can I install and run in Windows, Linux, and OS? Or we have three separate Java softwares? We have three Java softwares. Why? Java softwares means what? Compiler, JVM, API. Compiler and API is the same for all operating system. But JVM is same or different? Different. We have one Java software with compiler, Windows JVM, API. Second Java software with same compiler, same API, but what? With Linux JVM. Third Java software with what? Same compiler, same API, but JVM is what? Mac JVM. So tell me, how many Java softwares we have? 3. So tell me, Java software is platform dependent or platform independent? Platform dependent. Tell me, why Java software platform dependent? Because JVM is a platform independent. Java software is also become platform dependent. Repeat again. Java software is platform dependent because JVM is platform dependent. Last batch, after completing this explanation, one student come and asked me a question. Sir, come again, I confused. Why Java software is platform dependent? I said, because JVM is platform dependent, Java software is platform dependent. He got angry with an angry face, look at me and asked, Kya bol rahe hai tum? Narendra Modi is a PM because he got more votes. I shouted, hey, how this example is related? Same way, there are two platform independent things are there, na? You said JVM is a platform dependent, so Java software is a platform dependent. Now I am saying compiler is a platform independent, Java software is a platform independent. Why it is wrong? Tell me. Because Narendra Modi is having more votes, more platform independent. That's why platform independent I am saying. Okay. Now I understood. He took wrong example, not main point he didn't understand. Then I asked him, oh, okay, answer my question. In your BTech, you have 6 subjects. One subject only you fail. What is your result? Thank you, sir. Understood. Understood? One subject you failed. 5 subjects you pass. Then what is your result? Fail. Here, more majority should not consider. Can you carry the same Java software to all operating systems or not? No. Why? Because JVM is stopping you to go. Which OS JVM? It will work only in that OS. Based on the JVM, it become platform dependent, platform independent. Okay. Now I'm writing 10th question. Java software is platform dependent or platform independent? What is your answer? Platform dependent. This 4 questions understand? Now I am asking next question. Pakka you will confuse and give wrong answer. Last 2 questions. Last 2 questions. Is Java platform dependent or platform independent? Sachin Gurre, chappa. Is Java platform dependent or platform independent? After 30 years, If still people are asking the question platform, Java platform dependent or platform independent, he is expecting more from you. If this question I face, I will use my brain, intelligent brain, and I'll give answer. Both. Java is both platform dependent, platform independent. Why? Java means two things are there, buddy. Java means two things. What are the two things? Number one, Java software. Number two, Java program. Okay, Java software, Java program. Two things are there. Java software platform dependent. Java program platform independent. Last point, bhai. Come on. Java is both platform dependent, platform independent. Java software platform dependent. Java program platform independent. Both because of both because of who is making Java software platform dependent? JVM. Who is making Java program platform independent? JVM. We cannot use the same JVM software in all operating systems. So Java software is platform dependent. We have separate JVM for every operating system. The same Java program can be executed in all operating systems. So Java become platform independent. Understand that twist point? Is Java platform dependent or platform independent? My answer is both. Java software is a platform dependent. Java program platform independent. Both because of JVM. Sure. If it is a face-to-face round, somebody is there in front of me, I can explain this much. If it is an objective round question, choose A or B. What should I choose, sir? Who are you? Are you a Java software developer? Java program developer? Program. So you have to give from the program point of view. If it is a face-to-face interview question, technical round question, tell both. If it is an objective round question, you have to choose one answer. Then choose what? Platform independent, because you are developer, program developer. Okay, right. That point you have to answer. Now, last two questions. Last two questions. Now answer everyone. Just by installing OS. Okay, let me ask this way. Can we run, or what is the restriction to run Java program? There is a restriction, already explained. To run Java program, what is the restriction? The computer must have JVM. To run a program in the computer, we must have JVM. Then, now my question. Will JVM by default installed with OS? Just by installing OS, JVM also available? OS. I just install Windows. Along with Windows, JVM is available? Answer is no. We have to install JVM explicitly. Then tell me, who does develop JVM? Is it by OS vendor or Sun Microsystem? Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem develop JVM software separately for every OS. Are you following? Then finally, try to think and tell. If you wanted to run your Java program, you must install JVM explicitly in your computer. Okay? Last question. There are two people are available in this program, sir. First person is developer. Two questions. Developer, and what is developer role, and what is customer role or client role? Customer or client role? Really last two questions. Tell me now. Here completed. What is the completed? What is the restriction to run Java project? JVM must be there. Is JVM automatically available in the OS? No. What should I do? You must install JVM explicitly in the system. Then who developed JVM? From where I can get? JVM is developed by Sun Microsystem. From the Sun Microsystem website, you have to download and install in your computer. Up to now, okay na? Then I have a question. Who is running Java program? Two people. There are two people here. Number one, developer. Number two, customer. You are developing project for your sake or for client purpose? Client. Then tell me now. Amazon developed by one developer or not? And Amazon you are accessing or not? Who are you to the Amazon? Client, customer. Who is the Amazon company developer? Developer. As a developer, what is my responsibility? Number one, develop abc.java. Number two, compile abc.class. Number three, execute and see the output correctly coming or not. As a developer, my responsibility is develop, compile, execute. All three works I have to do in my computer. Understand? Now, in a client computer, Amazon software should develop a compiler, just execute. Just execute. Now, think and tell me. Developer role is develop, compile, execute. Customer role is only execute. Then tell me, who will compile the Java program? Compile. Who will execute Java program? JVM. Then tell me, in the developer computer, I must install both the compiler and JVM or not? Online students, repeat. Come on. In the developer computer, I must install both compiler and JVM. In a developer computer, in a customer computer, should I install JVM or compiler? JVM sufficient. Compiler required or not required? Not required. Oh, no, sir, just I will install. Hey, memory space waste. In that compiler space, I can install one video game. Some game I can install. So tell me, you have to save the space of the computer. Bolo now, here, do I need complete Java software? No. Types of Java software. There are two types of Java softwares available. What are the two types? Carefully watch here. Complete Java software. What is that? Complete Java software, compiler plus JVM plus API, and only JVM plus API. Below. Now in the developer computer, I required compiler plus JVM plus API. In the customer computer, only JVM and API sufficient. I don't want compiler. So Java software is divided into two types. Number one, full software, JDK. Compiler, JVM, API. Full software is named as what? JDK. And only JVM and API is named as JRE, because it's meant for only runtime environment. JDK. Tell me now, compiler is involved in the process of development. That's why it is called Java Development Kit. And JVM is involved in the process of running. That's why it is named as what? Java Runtime Environment. Understand? So finally, how many types of Java softwares we have? Two types of Java softwares. Number one, JDK, JRE. Tell me, in the developer computer, which Java software I should install? JDK. In the customer computer, which Java software is installed? JRE. Who are you? Customer, sir. You join this course to become customer, to become developer. Developer, na? Tell me, you are all developer. First, you accept that. You are all developer. In the developer computer, what should I install? In your computer, what you should install? JDK. JRE, JDK. So tomorrow you are going to install JDK. All people understand? Pakka? Quickly revise and go to the class today. And first one, what is the Java slogan? Write once, run anywhere. How many translation softwares we are using in Java? Two, compiler and JVM. What is the compiler role? Look at the diagram and tell me, what is the compiler role? Compiler take the source code and convert it to bytecode and save it in a new file called what? .class extension. Next, what is JVM role? Either JVM take the bytecode, run and convert to machine language, generate the output. Super. Then, how many extension files we have? Two, .class and .java and .class. Do you have machine language saving file in Java? No. After execution, machine language is destroyed. Then in Java, do you have exe file? No. Why? Why Java doesn't have exe file? Because Java exe file contain machine code. It's a platform dependent. It is not secure and it's a useless. Why useless things in Java? Take it. Next, what is Java software? Compiler, JVM, API. All together is called what? Java software. In a Java software, compiler is platform independent because it is not working for any OS. Online students, can you see me? Next, is JVM platform dependent or platform independent? Platform dependent because it has to generate machine language specific to OS. JVM is working for OS, targeting to one OS. That's why it is a platform dependent. Then Java software is platform dependent or platform independent? Platform dependent. We cannot install the same Java software in all operating systems. We have 3 different Java softwares because JVM is platform dependent. Next, Java is platform dependent or platform independent? It is both. Java software platform dependent, Java program platform independent, both because of JVM. What is the restriction to run Java program? In that computer, JVM must be there. Will JVM by default install along with the OS? No. We have to explicitly download and install. Then who developed JVM? OS vendor or Sun Microsystem? Sun Microsystem. You have to download it from Sun Microsystem website and install. Okay. Then next, what is the developer role? What is the customer role? Developer is responsible for develop, compile, execute. So in the developer computer, we must have full Java software, compiler, JVM and API. Next, customer role is only run the program. So only JVM is sufficient. Based on that, Java softwares are divided into 2 types. Number 1, JDK, JRE. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. We are all developers. We should install JDK in our computer. That's what we are doing in tomorrow class. Everyone understand our today class? Pakka? Enjoyed it? Involved more? Compared to first two classes. Today class is little bit more interactive. Tell me, at last 5 minutes, I have revised 17 points, tuck fast. All you people understood now? Why? Because you are listening or replying? Replying. When you are replying, nothing is difficult. When you are listening, you say, stop. No, points are overloading, bouncing, jumping. So don't miss classes. Up to Saturday, very, very important. By Saturday, I'll make you experts in Java. Really. And within 1 week, expert chestanu. Yeah, pakka. Okay, just more 2 days I require to make you experts in Java. Please don't miss classes. Okay, tomorrow we are installing JDK and tomorrow we are developing our first program. Did we develop program today? Did we develop program today or not? Hey, abc.java developed. Compiled. Also executed. We already developed. Now we have to do practicals. Development theory completed. Now we have to do practicals in the system that we are going to see in tomorrow class. Clear? Hope you enjoy the class. All these slides I'll upload to the Google Classroom. Will you write the notes or get the printout? Either write or print out. Compulsory. Today notes, today only you should gather. If you are postponing tomorrow, day after tomorrow, day by day material will be increased and one find you will suffer to understand what is this. Either you write notes or everyday material you try to get print out. Okay, na? Thank you. See you all tomorrow, 6 o'clock sharp. Yeah, I will share, buddy. I will share all points. I'll share. Now only I will share. All points are clearly documented and also images, supporting images, everything I'll share.
ఇప్పుడు మనం జావా ప్రోగ్రామ్ రన్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆల్రెడీ జేవీఎం యూస్ చేయకుండా నోట్ప్యాడ్ తో మనం రన్ చేస్తాం.
మళ్ళీ అడగండి.
ఆ టూల్స్ వల్ల మనం ప్రోగ్రామ్ రన్ చేసేటప్పుడు వి ఆర్ నాట్ యూజింగ్ జేవీఎం.
ఆ టూల్స్ ఇంటర్నల్ గా జేవీఎం వాడుతుంది.
ఆ జేవీఎం యూస్ చేసుకొని
ఆ టూల్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ రన్ చేయదు కదా. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మొబైల్ ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు నేను అమెజాన్ యాక్సెస్ చేయాలి, మీరు ఎవరు Neha, I will take the class now only at 6 a.m., 6 p.m. Okay. If you want my core Java training, 6 p.m. If you want any faculty training, you can contact admin. Admin will help you.